હમણાં એક દિવસ તમારા આગળ આવ્યો હતો તમે
હા, લગભગ પહેલા 3 વીક હું ત્યાં જ હતો. Okay, so let's do one thing. We'll just wait for a while so that everyone can join. There are only 10 people. Let me put a count. How many are there in our ESC group? Total is 13, right? Okay, 11 are there. So 2 might be joining soon. All right. So let's do one thing. Let us begin this. Now, first, I'll put a disclaimer that this session is actually meant only for you, specially for you. Okay, so I'll be speaking in English only. That is the only challenge you may be having. But other than that, we have a total informal strategy for making you learn English communication. Okay, so everyone have their own ideas. So this is a class for you only, and all your ideas, all your creativity, whatever you know, whatever you want to share, right? Anything, it could be anything. I'm open for that. Okay, so don't worry about that. Of course, basic discipline is required. Otherwise, in between also you can put a break and you can tell me if you want to share something. I'll be really happy, because our ultimate goal is to make you speak, right? Speak in English language. Now there are two things. I could see one example, like Raj is there, Yashpal is there. So those who I find that yes, it is a challenge for me that I should make them speak in English. Okay, so I'll be keeping more and more number of exercises for them. Okay, agreed? Yashpal, Raj,
યસ સર.
good. So
Yes,
that's
sir.
the spirit. Yes. So ultimately, this is specially meant for your communication purpose, right? So sometimes, suppose you are going to some place and you have to communicate in English, at least you will feel that okay, I know a few things and I can easily do that. You should have that confidence. Okay. So let's start. Before we start, let us make one small exercise. Or everyone can switch on their video and put a thumb sign so that I'm ensured that all of you are ready. That's very good.
અરે દંડ જ જોઈને.
I'm happy to see this. See, this is the thing I want. ચાલુ રાખજો એક મિનિટ video so that I will take a screenshot of this.
ઓકે.
Yeah, one more. I am getting the message for others. So other
વિવેક
four
વિદ્યાનું
people
બંધ નાખે સર.
I could not see. Anyways, okay. So here is the picture. Let me share it. Just a minute. Okay, you can stop the video now. I've taken the screenshot. Okay. Let me just see where the screenshot has gone. Okay, I'll share it later on. Fine, I'll find out and share it in the group. Hello, so let's start with one thing. We can have introduction round, and what you have to do is, I told you that there are two things I want to confirm. One is you should be able to speak up. That is one, right? And second is your pronunciation should be correct. That is also very important, right? Because as Dean sir already told, right, there is something called MTI, that is mother tongue influence, which always comes to us, right? Whether it is, you know, whether you belong to any region of the world, usually we have that speaking pattern. So we are suffering with that issue, that if I'm speaking in English, you know, someone can judge that yeah, this person belongs to Gujarat maybe, right? So that is mother tongue influence. So you need to remove that. At least you try to. It won't be removed, obviously. Until and unless I don't hear you, I cannot get the idea. Fine. So let us start with Dharmesh. Dharmesh Ajmeria.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can speak something and you can give your introduction. I don't want to listen that you are in MCA this batch and Marwadi University and all that. Okay, something about yourself, means where you stay, about your family, and what are your hobbies. Recently, what activity you have done, or your point of view for politics or cricket, anything. Just as if we are talking, right? We are doing the discussion only. Don't worry. Okay, the only criteria here is attendance. Okay, your attendance should be full 100%. Rest, I will ensure that you are going to enjoy everything. Okay, Dharmesh, so can you start
Okay,
please?
sir.
Everyone will get equal chance. Okay, don't worry. And yes, usually we have habit of giving the chocolates also for those who are high performer of the day. But right now, I don't know. You can suggest also.
અરે સર આ તો બ્રિજ કોર્સ વાળી હજી ચોકલેટો બાકી ઈ હજી પોઈગી નથી.
Ha. So that's why online, how is it possible? If you come here in our office, surely we'll be happy to give. Okay, or one day you can decide and come over here and we will credit all our debits. Okay, don't worry. Yes, Dharmesh, bolo. Now I will mute myself and it's turn for Dharmesh now. Yes, please.
My name is Dharmesh Adnaria. I am from Rajkot, and my hobby is gymming. Your voice is not audible, sir.
Yeah, sorry. So few more things. This is very introductory. I want a few more sentences. Hmm? Okay, no problem. Later on, we can shift to Parth now. Parth,
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, first of all.
good afternoon.
Sir, my name is Parth Patadia, and I am developer. I have started one small startup called JP Developer, and I am interested in backend development like PHP and WordPress. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good going. Yes, now Parin.
Good afternoon, sir, and all my dear friends. I am Parin Karelia, and right now I am doing project work in for MCA, and that's it, sir.
That's it. You started very nicely, right? See, creativity is also very, very important. When you have so many people, how I can remember Parin, especially because he said that good afternoon to everyone. Hello, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good, right? Something like this. So he started with a very good greeting. Usually, we use greetings in any language. You take any language, we use greeting. That is number one. And second thing is we are using fillers. I'm not getting a word, so like this. So these are all called fillers. Try to avoid the fillers, right? Parth was saying that now I am into, right? So that you should try to avoid. You can put a pause, right? Suppose you don't know, then just let me think, right? You can put a sentence and by that time you can start thinking. So yeah, whenever I come across all these experiences, ultimately this is something like experience selling. Okay, let me clarify. I'm not an English expert. Okay, whatever I know, what I have learned, and how I communicate with different people, rather different people in different countries. Right. At least I'm lucky that I got experience to speak in English language with non-native speakers also. Right, those who are not belonging to UK. Right. So that way, at least, yeah, who is able to understand what type of sentences, how to pronounce, that basic idea I'm going to give to you. Okay, so it's up to you. See, learning resource is in front of you. You have to decide how much you want to grab, how much you want to pick up. Okay, it's all up to you only. I will be just sitting and you people will be. Now, gradually, what happens, I will be speaking less and you will be speaking more. That's what I want. Mahavir, yes, please. Your introduction, something.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mahavir Gohil. I am from Rajkot. I like to watch movies and cricket. I also like programming language like Java, C, C++. Sometimes I will do troubleshooting in Windows OS. That increase my analytical power to solve any issues in that occurring in runtime environment. So we can solve it at runtime if anytime it occur. So that's
Yes. Now, what I have noted here. So I will share this thing that the confidence Mahavir has got is excellent. Okay, but I told you that we have sometimes the mother tongue influence. So when he speaks the word THAT, let us take only one small word and let us try to explore that. Okay, so THAT is one word that he has spoken, and I heard that word. So now, if I ask you people, just randomly few people, suppose Yashpal, THAT means what?
Yes, sir.
THAT means what?
That.
Again, please, one more time.
That.
Okay, Raj.
Sir, that.
Okay, good. Parth.
That.
Parth again, little
That.
loud. Parin.
That.
Mahavir.
that.
Okay. Do you really find a difference in these words? The same words spoken by different people. You find the difference? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
So that's what is the mother tongue influence. Okay, there is little bit of change. See, when he's speaking that, how I speak the word that. If you are not getting a very minor difference is there, we can go for another word, SNACK. What is SNACK?
Snap.
Yashpal, yes.
Snack.
Yes. Raj?
Snake.
Okay. Parth?
Snake.
Somnath?
Snack.
Yeah. So we said snack. That A is towards, it's not snake. Okay. Snack. Towards E. A going towards E. So it is snack. So this way you will learn very simple. What is that? Somnath?
Sir, please repeat network issue.
Okay. STUDENT. Shall I repeat, Somnath?
Yes, sir.
STUDENT. I
Student.
can write into the chat box. That will be better. Okay. So what is this?
Student.
Student. Okay. Parth?
Student.
Student. Okay. Little better. Parin?
Student.
True. Again, Parin?
Student.
Student. Okay. Mahavir?
Student.
Okay. Jigar? Jigar છે કે નહીં?
Che.
Come on, where are you? Yashpal?
Student.
Okay, see, so officially we all speak similar kind of, it's not our fault actually, but what we listen, in this surrounding environment, we are just observing that and doing the same thing, right? So STU, when you have T along with U, this is a typical English rule. Eve, that is you consider as E only. So I'll say it is a student. Okay, I'll repeat, it is student, not student. It is student. Is it clear? Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So STUDENT, you pronounce it as, see, I am writing the spelling here. Look at the chat box. Even though the spelling is STU, but when you pronounce, It is student. Okay, student.
Sir, according
Yes.
to it is according to British English. We are
British
speaking
English.
currently Indian English.
Yes,
So,
yes, yes.
sometimes we use American English, some words in British English, and some Indian
Very good.
English.
Very
Uh,
good.
Many times, sir, I faces this issue. So
Correct. 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 And let me
so
clarify this thing. This is very basic thing, a very perfect point you have captured actually, Mahavir. What happens? What is Indian English? Let me first clarify this thing. What do you mean? The place where originally the given language is being spoken, right? England is the only country in the world where people speak English. Okay, that is the native language. What they speak is ideally speaking considered to be correct. Okay, so all right, they have their own rules, but what they speak is considered to be the actual English language. Okay, we have our versions, that's okay, but there is nothing like Indian English. Okay, or country wise there is no English. Our native language is Hindi. Let's take example of Hindi, right? So Hindi is being spoken in India only. So what we speak Hindi words, the same pronunciations we expect from others. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's take example of Rajan. I can see the spelling here. It is Rajan, R-A-J-A-N, right? Rajan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rajan, now you know what happens if any foreign person checks your name, it is R-A-J-A-N. So when you have A at both the places, your pronunciation is expected to be the same, right? So he may tell you as Mr. Rajan, right? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
He
Yes,
can
sir.
tell you, or if you say A means it is A, then he will say Mr. Rajan. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can say like this also. See, exactly the same is with me also. Let me check, tell you my name for me also. It's same thing, Jajal. The surname is Jajal, right? So here I use 1A or whether I use 2A. It depends. So if I'm using it, but since it is Indian English, all of us know that how to pronounce. But when it goes to other country, it becomes difficult for them. That's why, we need to take care. If you wish that your children should go abroad, try to give their names so that it is acceptable everywhere in the world. Okay.
sir, I researched that people use British English in writing and speaking English in American way.
American.
So what we consider? So
It
what
is,
we consider?
see, it's something like, when I'm using, we being Indian, we always consider UK English as the standard. When you're using MS Office, we will consider UK English only as a standard, not US English, right? Mahavir Singh, your name, you're writing VEER, it is Veer, right? And Singh SI, that is also E, but you write I because it is small. So this is a correct sentence, word framing, right? So what happens, we should try to avoid when you're speaking also, we expect that it has to go for British accent, not the American accent. Reason, there are some words which they speak like hello guys, right? They use the word guys, or they say hi, very short words like all right bro, something like this, right? So when you speak up like this, if you speak the slangs of English language. Okay, so it all depends. It is better to learn the language thoroughly. What is official? That is native language only I'm talking about, right? So obviously, I think you got the point, Mahavir. If you want to learn Gujarati, the person whose mother tongue is Gujarati, if you learn from him, that will be better compared to the one who is maybe he's expert, but who has another mother tongue. Yes, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's continue with a few more round of speaking something. So I'll go into the list and I'll just check. There are a lot of such words. Okay, I will give you some exercises also. Yeah, Vivek is here. Vivek Dodia.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, you did not get the chance to speak. You can speak now.
Yes, sir. What I should speak?
Vivek, you can give your introduction.
Yes, sir.
I will mute myself. Next 10 minutes are yours. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Just few minutes, maybe.
Hey guys, my name is Vivek Dodia. I am from Gujarat, well-known city Rajkot, and I am complete my BCA in Marwari University, and currently I am doing MCA in Marwari University.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So getting a point to anyway, let's do one small exercise. And everything is done in English. Okay. So if I believe all of you know Gujarati, right? So I'll be using only little bit as far as possible. I'll try to avoid the regional language because our goal is different here. But suppose I say something about the hands, right? So what are different body parts, or let's say some activities. Let's start with activity. Okay. So I will speak up in Gujarati and you have to convert into English. Fine. Only one statement I will give, you have to convert into English. Let's do it quickly. Okay. First I will ask Raj.
Yes, sir.
Raj? Yeah. So suppose I give the sentence કે મને પગની પાનીમાં દુખે છે. બરાબર છે?
Yes, sir.
This is a Gujarati sentence. પગની પાનીમાં દુખે છે. So how will you convert into English? What will you say?
Sir, I have a pain in my foot.
Foot is a different part altogether, right? I want to be precise. પાણીની જ વાત થાય છે, આખા પગની નહીં.
Sir, I don't remember the.
ની કહેવાય ને સર.
That is fine. અચાનક કદાચ કોઈને ના યાદ આવે word, but you have tried nicely.
ની શું કહેવાય? ની જ કહેવાય.
No, knee એટલે ઢીચણ. યશપાલ.
એ જ ન થયું.
નહીં, હું પાણીની વાત કરું છું.
એવું.
Sir, toe.
Toe, yes, exactly. Raj, you got it. Okay. So toe is different, knee is different, ankle is different, right? All right, Vivek, for you the conversion line. Vivek Dodia. છે ને online?
Yes, sir.
Okay. હા. તો મને બહુ દુઃખ થયું, એનું શું થાય? English. Yeah, Vivek, very simple one.
I am in depression.
You are in depression. Depression is the correct word.
Maybe.
हाँ, Parin बोलो, Parin. Parin is ready.
I am hurt.
You got hurt? એ તો
I am
ખોટું લાગ્યું થયું. દુઃખ થવું અને ખોટું લાગવું અલગ છે પાછું.
સેડ.
Yes, Yashpal.
સેડ.
Sad. Correct. Sad is the correct word. So what is the sentence? Exact sentence, Yashpal. મને બહુ દુઃખ લાગ્યું ને ઇંગ્લિશ શું થાય?
I am very sad.
I am very sad.
I am very sad. I am very sad નું ગુજરાતી કરું, હું ખૂબ દુઃખી છું. બરાબર? I am very sad. નહીં, મને દુઃખ લાગ્યું. Yes, Rajan.
I feel very bad.
Very good. You have used the word feel. Now there is something called past tense, present tense.
Yes.
So you should have used the word that is, yes, Somnath. Spelling. ચાલો આપણે સ્પેલિંગ ની વાત કરીશું. I felt very bad આવે છે. Feel ક્યારે આવે? If it is right now, currently. Right?
Sir, felt is
દુઃખ થયું. So that is I felt very bad. Okay, that is the correct sentence. Okay. Now you are talking about feel. What is the spelling of feel?
F-E-E-L.
F-E-E-L છે ને, ઘણા F-I-L-L લખે છે.
No, sir.
Right? Okay. Now, yeah, so there are some similar spellings. So we always get confused in this also. So writing also, it matters. When you are having a similar spelling, like I'll give you one example in the chat box. All of you can see in the chat box. There is a word accept, expect. 3 words છે, right?
Yes,
They
sir.
look quite similar, all ending with EPT, but they are different, right? Who can say this? 3 માંથી કોઈ પણ એક વર્ડ ખબર હોય તો બોલતા જાઓ, ચલો ફટાફટ. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes,
Accept
Jika.
means to accept something.
Which one you are telling?
Accept. Second one.
Second one, accept. Accept means. Yeah, Rajan, I'm coming to you. Mahavir, wait. So I accept this means what? This is agreeable to me.
Something.
Yes, this is agreeable to me, right? I accept means I agree to that. Yes. Now what about other two? EXCEPT. Accept means what? Not include. Very good. Mahavir, correct. Means not this one. See, everyone is present in this class except Jaipal. Okay, something like this. So that is except means one is not there, remaining is there. Yes, Vivek?
Nothing, sir.
And what about the last one, Vivek? EXPECT? Expect semi use થાય છે. Expect. Yashpal, you have any idea where we use expect?
ઓલે ટૂંકમાં આમ કઈક ભરોસા જેવું કેમ કહું?
English,
expect.
bro.
You are very near. Yes.
Sir, can I?
Yes, please.
Sir, it means કોકની પાસે કઈ આશા રાખવી એમ.
Asha, exact word is that, correct. I expect after finishing all the sessions, I expect that all of you will be communicating very nicely, right, in English language. Okay, can I expect this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
accept?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so that's great.
Sir, you are not audible.
I'm just pasting one paragraph here, and we will do one short reading exercise. Okay, just give me a moment. So what we will do is I am sharing that paragraph and I will ask 2 or 3 person to read that paragraph. And we will see that how the pronunciation is done. That is important. Okay, so when you are speaking, you just want to learn that you are going with correct pronunciation or not. Yes. So I can ask Jigar to read the first line of this paragraph. Jigar, please.
Yes, sir. Life is like a box of chocolates, and you might be searching through the wrappers, wondering if you should order another case.
Okay. So now I'm highlighting the word here. Here, ORDER is that word, right? ORDER. Jigar, what is that? ORDER. Jigar,
Order.
how
Yes,
do you
sir.
pronounce ORDER?
Order.
Yashpal,
Order.
Rajan, ORDER કેવી રીતે બોલાય રાજન?
Order.
Okay, Dharmesh.
Order.
See, so again mother tongue problem. When you start with O, that there is difference between O and O. Okay, O and O. You speak from the neck, not from the throat. Okay, there is little difference. It is should order. બરાબર, ઉપર ડોટ કરીએ છે ને આપણે મોઢામાં, MO ડોટ કરીએ છીએ આપણે ઉપર, right? So it is like that, order. It is not odor. Odor is different. You know, there is a word, ODOUR. We call it as odor. You know what is this? Odor?
No, sir.
Odor? No? There is a pungent odor coming over here, or maybe because of this good night, it is smelling, right? What smell, what type of smell you have, that is called odor. Okay, so it is odor. So when you say odor, it means this. Gujarati ma gandh kehvaye એને, right? So that is odor. But when you say order, order is different. So always pronounce it as order.
સર સ્મેલ ને ઓર્ડર માં ફરક શું?
It is same. It is a synonym. Okay, odor and smell is same. They are synonyms. All right. So what I want is you can always try towards the precision. Sometimes you know what happens when you're speaking in English, it so happens that you feel that you are going towards English and you are losing your mother tongue, right? That's why you come back and go to the original tone. It happens with me also, right? But try to see that when you speak English, each and every word, you do it as if English person is doing. You can give it a try, right? Give it a try. See, let's take this example. You might not have listened to me with this pronunciation earlier because it is difficult every day to in our daily activity. Maybe some pronunciations you will not understand also, right? Let me try one style. Okay, just listen the same paragraph. How do I pronounce? Okay, ideally speaking. So you will say that life is like a box of chocolates and you might be searching through the wrappers wondering if you should order another case or two. If you plan on being crowned queen of summer, arm yourself with these inspirational affirmations and quotes about the change too as you prepare for the new season. Okay, so it will come gradually. It will come the same style. If you adapt, don't worry, don't feel that okay your friends will laugh or why you are pronouncing like this. It takes little efforts to speak in this way, right? Anyone wants to try with this accent? Anybody? Voluntarily, otherwise I will speak the name. Voluntary is always good. Yes, Parin, please. I want this type of response. Chalo, I'll be very happy.
Life is like a box and chocolate, and you might be searching through the wrappers, wondering if you should order another case or two. If you plan to being a crowded queen of summer, arm yourself with this inspirational affirmation and your quotes about change too, as you prepare for a new session.
Okay, that's good. You tried good. Anyone else? One more volunteer. Yes, Parin, what happened? Can you speak the first sentence again, Parin? Because I could not hear.
Yes, sir.
Parin? Yes.
Life is like a box of chocolates, and you might be searching through the wrappers, wondering if you should order another case or two.
Again, ORDER is what?
Order.
Not odor. Odor is different.
Sorry. Order.
Remember. Vivek. You want to try, Vivek?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yes, please. After you, Raj.
Life is like a box of chocolates, and you might be searching through the wrappers, wondering if you should order another case. If you plan on being crowned queen of summer, arm yourself with this inspirational affirmation as you prepare for new session.
Okay, good. So that is affirmations. Okay, inspirational affirmations. Good try. Yes, Raj, you would like to read this? Yes, please.
Life is like a box of chocolates, and you might be searching through the wrappers, wondering if you should order another case or two. If you plan on being a crowned queen of summer, arm yourself with this inspirational affirmation, and quotes about change too, as you prepare for the new season.
Okay, good. So one small thing, CROWNED. There you had a small pause. What is that? CROWNED. Raj?
Round, sir.
Round, yes. So it's not rounded, but it is round. ED is always silent. Okay, great going. So now we'll continue with the introduction part. Anyone who has not spoken up anything? Anybody in the group?
Sir, Milan Chovatia.
Milan? Okay.
Milan.
So Milan, for you, I will just put another paragraph. Let's not repeat the same thing. Okay, so just give me a moment. I will put another paragraph and you can start reading that. Okay. So here we go. Just check the chat box, Milan, and you can try this sentence.
If you find yourself needing a pick-me-up, this uplifting saying fit the bill. This list of quotes is the remedy for the plus. These words will surely brighten your day and lift your mood.
Okay, good try. What is BLUES? BLUES, how do you pronounce?
Plus.
Blus? Yes, what about others? BLUES?
Blues.
Blues. Jigar.
Blues.
Very good. Perfect. So Jigar is the, what you say, pronouncer of the day. Goes to Jigar. Everyone can clap for him.
Thank you, sir.
Idiot.
Great. So it is blues. Okay. Even when you say Rajan, if I have a word BLUE, what is that? How do you pronounce?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Vivek?
Blue, sir.
Blue. Dharmesh?
Blue.
Everyone, any other pronunciation is there?
Sir, blue.
Blue.
Yes, Mahavir.
Blue.
Perfect. It is blue. Okay, there is no E. It's not blue. Okay, the second one right now I have written, that is blue. Whatever. You have a balloon, right? You blow the balloon. You blew it off. That is blue. And that is blue. The color is always blue, not blue. Clear?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Sir, એક confusion છે.
Hi, બોલો ને.
When
એટલા માટે તો છે આપણે.
when sentence is too long to speak in one line, so when we take pause, so people can understand.
When sentence, what do you say, Mahavir?
When sentence is too long to speak in one line.
Yes.
So at which place we need to take
You
a
have
pause
to
so people
put a
can
pause.
understand.
Very nice.
When put.
You can see the chat box. I have written the paragraph. The sentence seems to be very long. Now it depends on me when I am putting the pause, but at least people in front of you should be able to judge that. Let me show you both the examples by pronouncing it live. Okay. So if you read this, I can say, if that is the person in front of me knows very well English, then what I can do is I can say, if you find yourself needing a pick-me-up, these uplifting sayings fit the bill. How many times I put the pause? 2 times, right? If you find yourself needing a pick-me-up, after that, a little pause, right? These uplifting sayings, that is second pause, fit the ball. Okay. So only two pauses are there. If the same thing I'm conveying, broadcasting to so many people, right? I'll go a little slower. So I can say, if you find yourself, then I put a little pause, needing a pick me up, these uplifting sayings fit the ball or fit the bill. Okay, so it all depends actually how you are using it. But usually, of course, when there is a comma, remember, I cannot say if you find yourself needing a pick me up these, this is not correct, right? Because pick me up after that comma is there. So you have to put the pause. Pick me up and these you cannot pronounce together. Put little bit of pause. That is the rule. But in between the words, yes, of course, you can go by your own flow. Is that fine, Mahavir?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes sentence making is also, you are right. You will find a very big, large sentence. Then how to pronounce that becomes a little difficult. All right, I will have one more short exercise for you guys. So what I will do, okay, I'm giving a word and you have to describe a word in your own sentence. Okay, let us start with one small exercise. I'm giving this word mobile and I'm giving the option to you all who is going to speak something about mobile. Who is going to speak something about mobile? Anyone? We are winding. You. Who can do that? Please raise your hand. Very, very easy. Speak something about a mobile phone. Simplest topic for you. Rajan, yes, please. Yes, Rajan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Mobile phone is often also called cellular phone.
Very good. See, often you have used the correct OFTEN, often. Right? Some people they say often also. But usually, like we say no Indian English, I mean, that is not the correct word. But in India, when we speak in English, we will say often. So T becomes little silent. You can say often also. Sometimes, both the pronunciations are correct. As Mahavir was telling, sometimes what happens, there is a word which people pronounce in two different ways. But usually both the ways are correct. Right? Such words are also there. Yes, please proceed, Rajan.
Sir, you are not audible.
Yes, sorry, I got disconnected. So I was asking you, Rajan, if you can speak something about mobile. I didn't listen. If you have already done, can you please repeat?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Mobile phone is often also called a cellular phone.
Yes. Then anything else? That's it? Only one sentence?
Yes, sir.
All right, friends.
is-
So I have one word here. You have to pronounce it. How do you pronounce this word?
Schedule.
Yes. Yes. Parth.
Schedule.
Sorry,
Schedule.
Raj, one more time.
Schedule.
Again.
Schedule.
Schedule. Okay, great. Vivek? Vivek, please. Yashpal, bolo. You can speak up. No need for permission. Okay, this is your own class. Don't worry. Whenever you feel, you can unmute. Schedule. Okay. There are two correct answers. One is schedule. Okay, like we say in India. So we usually say schedule. What is the schedule of the day? Another is schedule. Then it is DH. H is not there, but you have to pronounce in that manner. You know, I told you like EW. So it is schedule. Can you try, Yashpal? What I said?
Schedule.
Not schedule, it is schedule.
Schedule.
Not dual. Still you said dual. It's not the. It is the. Dharti nu the. Schedule.
Schedule.
Okay, good, better. Jigar, can you try?
Schedule.
Yes, good. But yes, of course, you can also use schedule. The simpler version is schedule. All right, so this was the last word of the day. And we'll have a few more exercises, very interesting. So stay tuned. You can also come up with different ideas, how exactly you want. You are the learners, right? So how exactly you want to focus, we will go in your direction. Don't worry. Otherwise, I already have some plans with me. So I will ensure that along with fun, you are going to have that plans. All right. So everyone enjoyed. Can I have one person who can conclude for the day? One volunteer who would say that, okay, what we have done. Yeah.
Sir.
Parth is always ready.
In our session,
Yes, we were.
my friend Jaivir C, he not speak anything.
Jaivir
So
Singh.
you can ask him.
Okay, that's correct. Very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good that you have pointed out. So Jaivir Singh, you can give some introduction for yourself.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chevirsi Jadeja. I completed my Bachelor of Computer Application from Saurashtra University. Currently, I am pursuing MCA from Gujarat Technological University. And as a part from my study, I have my own startup with the name of Ocean Solution. And in that, I doing backend development, making websites, and also some designing work. That's all about me. Thank you.
Very nice, Jaivir. Good. So those who are into technical things, those who have started their own things, like I could see the confidence. In such cases, your communication does not matter. Okay. If one or two words are wrong, that's okay. Communication you are able to do, that is very important. So that's what I can see in these two people. Right on day one, I can certify that Jaivir and Parth, these two people, though forget about the grammar rules, but they are able to communicate very nicely. That is the one thing. And I expect that each and every student should have this at the end of all my sessions are over. I expect this thing. Okay. Very nice, Jaivir. Good. Now, now I came across one small word, so I cannot stop myself. That is most common word for all of us. COMPUTER. What is that? Yes, I want quick responses. Everyone, unmute it.
Computer.
Computer.
Yes, I'm listening. Yes, I'm listening. Still.
Computer.
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 Okay. You have Google Assistant, right? Make sure you are using this. You start using it from today itself. Then you will understand how the correct pronunciation works, right? It is computer. Okay. I'll repeat. It's computer. Computer. So R is silent. You don't say computer. Okay. Usually we do it in Gujarati, but for this it is silent. So computer. Okay. And third no tha bolo cho ne, that's how you pronounce. Okay. Computer. Can everyone try? Computer. Yes,
Computer.
everybody together.
Computer.
Not computer. O. Also remember, O is not O. It is O. K. Not You say KH, right? Computer. See, I'll write a spelling here. For in terms of pronunciation, it goes like this. It is totally different, right? Computer. There is no R. Computer. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
You all can pronounce together now. Then we will-
Computer.
Yes, yes. All.
Computer.
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 Okay, good, great. All right. I hope all of you enjoyed. Over to Parth.
Yes, sir.
Just few seconds of conclusion. Parth, please. Where is Parth? I believe he is there. Parth?
આવ જાવ કરે સાહેબ.
એવું છે connection problem? Okay. All right, then we can end now. Okay.
ખબર નથી હો સાહેબ.
All right, so next session, when it will be, stay tuned. I'll inform you in the message. Okay. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will continue until and unless you say that yes, we are confident. Okay.
Sir,
Don't worry about number of sessions. Focus on the quality. Focus on what we want to learn.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
સર પ્રોનાઉન્સિએશન માટે ક્યાંય લર્ન કરી શકે કોઈ એપ કે એ રીતના?
Yes, see in Google, when you write speaker symbol, you can check that. It is the easiest method. Okay.
Okay.
All right then. Bye everyone.
Bye, sir.
You can exit now. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir. How are
But
you,
we
sir?
got little late.
Yes, sir. I got some
Concluding remarks આપવાની હતી પણ disconnect થઈ ગઈ.
હા સર પણ નેટવર્ક ઇસ્યુ સર
વાંધો
બહુ
નહીં.
થાય.
એવું જ છે અહીંયા પણ. Okay, no
Okay, sir.
problem. See you next
Thank you, sir.
class. ચલો, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Next